Hello, I'm Martin Denton. I work for Fugro Group. I've worked for them for a number of years and I'm the QA and HSE manager for the company. The change was necessary really, like most management systems, where they were very overcomplicated, and what we were finding was the people actually using the process, i.e. the staff, weren't using them.
My name's Maurice Scout. I'm the Quality Manager and HSE Advisor for Fugro Group Consulting, based in Wallingford in Oxfordshire.
What we found by looking at process management, it simplified the processes to the point of where people could understand the processes they were doing day to day. But more importantly, the senior management of the company could actually see the processes and how the company worked, and this was a major step forward.
One of the other issues we had being a small company and having a shared IT facility was that we didn't have a lot of IT support within the company. So we needed a package that with a minimum of IT support, but we could get technical support from the actual company.
They were very supportive throughout the installation of the product, and it's something that has continued. It has been certainly a major selling point from their perspective as regards the support and service and almost the personal touch that we've achieved with the individuals that we deal with.
So I had to do a business case and go over there for 2 days and convince them that going the Triasta route was the right way to go. And being successful on that, we bought the Triasta product. Once we'd actually achieved that, and the management team got the look and the feel of the product, it sold itself after that.
And I refer to it as a business management tool. This is very much where everyone can have buy-in to it, not just from the directors of senior management, it's to all the workforce, because at the end of the day, this will actually make you achieve greater profits throughout the organisation because you can analyse it at a very simplistic rate.
It's easy to use, it's flexible, it's modern.
One of the best aspects of that is very much being web-based. The interaction on it in that respect. That's been a positive response from everyone using the system of accessing it through your web browser.
You can search either by the reference, if somebody knows the form is an MF415, they can search for an MF415. If it's a business risk analysis, they can put in business, they can put in risk, and you effectively get the Google search, they can find some.
The system itself is kept as simple as possible.
And I wanted something where the look and the feel was always the same, no matter what section of the management system you were in. And those disciplines came with the Triasta product.
A number of our engineers work offshore where access to the internet isn't available. So what was key to us as a company was very much looking at this where it could be used remotely off of a laptop.
Major benefit it brought with it was that we had a reliable connection through to our system. It was easy to use, it's integrated for both the companies. So a key plus straight away is that staff could actually log on, they could get the information they want, it was always there and it was reliable. So the key thing that actually brought to us, it's easy to use, it's flexible, it's modern, and it brought the discipline which I also wanted.
At the end of the day, it's the simplicity of the software that they offer, and certainly with the package it's the backing of all the support services that Triasta offer with it.
You can get up and running with it fairly quickly, so you can transfer over to what I call a web-based system very, very quickly, as we did, and then you can enhance it from there. So you can get the major plus and get the staff used to it and the look and the feel of it and carry on enhancing it from that point of view.
Process mapping is extremely important. We must have an understanding at all levels of the company, not just at senior management level through to managers, all the way through the different levels of the company with the workers on the shop floor. And Triasta exceeded certainly my personal expectations, but more importantly the staff. I've got staff buy-in into a quality management system that is notoriously boring to most people, and certainly staff have brought into this system. So my recommendation is not just from me, but it's from all the members of staff and senior management. I've certainly had a great deal of positive response in respect to the software and the process mapping that we've continued.
They actually let you know, they actually keep you informed where they are, and they always come back. So I've found the actual support very good.
It's been a big benefit, an extremely big benefit to us as a company.